have 4 daughters that needed orthodontic treatment. So all 4 of them have been treated by Dr. Brust.
I have one daughter who has successfully completed treatment, and I have 2 daughters one who's almost done and one who is about halfway done.
I think every other family member of mine was a patient of Dr. Brust. I have 4 children and my husband as well.
All 3 of my children were patients in the Ann Arbor office with Dr. Brust.
I have 3 children that have been patients and currently still are of Dr. Brust.
My kids were current patients, and then my wife and I decided that we would also participate in the program.
It's very warm. You come in and it's very comfortable.
Well, they love the atmosphere of his office and how it's kind of come in, check yourself in. And
there's a waiting area for the kids that has games, Wii games, Xbox. I mean, that's always very entertaining for a kid when they're waiting for their appointment.
Their worst complaint is the fact that they get called too quickly and they don't have enough time to play the video games or watch the movies.
Treats for the adults, great coffee, which is important.
Yeah, right.
I mean, it really is.
It's comfortable. It was just, and the girls there, the women that are there working are very pleasant.
It seems amazing how they always manage to get us in when we need to get here. I don't know how they can do that for everybody, but they do it.
It makes going to the office an enjoyable experience. So all those small things make a big difference.
Well, I would say that I can't imagine finding a better orthodontist. I mean, Dr. Brust is just fantastic. Mechanically, at what he does, his work is fantastic. Their smiles look great when they're done, and that's not true of everywhere you go.
And then there's always the Dr. Brust joke of the day. Yeah, and that might be a good or not so good experience. That just depends on the day.
And they just love his jokes. They love trying to figure out the answer to them.
He knows every joke that is out there.
and so they're always trying to remember what the joke of the day is, and they think it's cool and hip.
He's always an upbeat, positive guy, and walks you through the process, lets you know what direction we're going. So it's very comforting.
I think he sets a real good example. I mean, he's just an upbeat person. He's high energy, and he's just a nice person that I think genuinely enjoys what he does, and it shows.
I would definitely tell them to come because what's important is when you come to a doctor's office is feeling comfortable and feeling like the staff listens to you and feeling the ease of getting appointments and just feeling a sense of confidence and trust in Dr. Brust and his ability to treat your child's teeth. I would highly recommend him.
You're sitting home on your computer watching this video. I would please give Dr. Brust a chance. Take a look at his office, and you won't be disappointed.
They are accommodating, they are warm, the environment is inviting, the work that they do is top-notch.
It's super friendly. I mean, everybody knows you by name when you come in.
I guess the word I would use to describe it best is excellence in all areas. The quality of care, the staff, the overall experience.
Great, welcoming staff, accommodating, fantastic work. There's really, I mean, you can look around, but I don't think you're going to find any place better than here.